Hello everyone, this is me here from Tasty Global Kitchen. I decided to do a quick omelette this morning using leftovers from yesterday's dinner. I had yesterday a turkey, and this is what's left of the turkey, turkey leg, which I've stripped down, and also some kale that I was doing some juicing yesterday, so I had some kale left over. So I've taken the good bits of that kale and shredded it with the turkey bits and pieces, and onions and some green peas as well. So I don't know if you can see, there's green peas in there. So onions, green peas, because I decided we can't really be wasting money nowadays on going shop every minute to buy different food, because we're eating a lot more and spending a lot more. So I decided I'm gonna just create this omelette here and see if I can get this to come out nice. I've not tried this with kale before, but and mushrooms, of course, and mushrooms. So kale, mushrooms, and it's just leftovers basically that I've just shredded up together. The peas and the turkey from yesterday, onions, garlic, and everything. And I'm just going to put it all together with, to make an omelette, and I'll show you a bit how it turned out. I'm going to be cracking some eggs now. I decided I'm actually not measuring anything in truth, but I'm going to be using 4 eggs. 4 eggs for this. Become an expert in cracking eggs now, aren't I? Oh dear, I take that back. Alright, that's that. And what I tend to do is take the eyes out of the egg. I don't know if this is a Caribbean thing, but my mum always taught me to take the eyes out of an egg. Because, I don't know, because obviously egg is a young chicken developing, so it's going to have all the bits growing. So, yeah, take the eyes out and obviously any shell that's in it, like here. I can see a bit of shell there again. Let's see. And all these bits here, I've always taken them out, all these bits here. Oh, I dropped it, I think. Let's get this bit out as well. And I think that's about it. There's a little bit here that I can see that's, where is it? Oh, it's gone now. Yes, I think this is all as clear as we can get. I think I saw a bit of a shell there. Let's see if I can get that shell that I can see. Get another spoon. Oh, I'm a bit funny when it comes to things like this. That's it. That can come off. So now that's all done, I whisk it by hand, like egg. Whisk, 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 whisk. Right. And I'll drop some bits in it in a bit. Just 1 second. Right, so the egg that I've been mixing, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, just a little bit, not too much, and some chili flakes, which I love using. Add a bit of that to it. I'm not going to use the whole of the ingredients because that would be too much and that's going to weigh down the omelette too much. So I'm not going to use all of this, but what I'll do is mix it all up as I've done here and get a handful of it, all the main ingredients. So as I said, handful of it. Let's get the spoon out of the way. This is all, to be honest with you, my trial and error omelette. So I have got, let me tell you the ingredients again. I've got mushrooms that are finely chopped up, some kale that are finely chopped up, some green peas. So kale, green peas, mushrooms, sweet pepper. There's some sweet pepper here that I've chopped up as well, because I had some from yesterday left over. Some turkey, so you can see the turkey bits in it. There's turkey there, garlic there, mushrooms. So it really is my trial and error omelette. So let's get the pan warmed up, put some oil here in the frying pan. Get it warmed up. This is a very rush omelette, so I hope it does come out all right. Let's give it a try. Meanwhile, got it all mixed up here. The 4 eggs, medium-sized eggs, quite big chunks of mushrooms. I haven't even made the effort to chop them finely because I'm trying this out with the turkey bits in it as well. If some of the kale looks a bit off colour, then you can always take them out. Like that one, I didn't like the look of that. So that will go in the rubbish. So the pan's warming. I'm going to turn the heat down slightly because it is a bit high. Because I don't want this to burn. Alright. Oops. Let's pour it in now, slowly. Mix it all in. So, as I said, this has got everything in it. Kale, mushroom, turkey. Everything that was left over from yesterday's dinner. Green peas. So I'm cooking it on a very slow heat. Very slow heat. And I did add some chilli in it, but I'm going to add some more. And then I'm going to add some cheese. So let's get some cheese now. Right, I'm now adding some cheese. So this is cheddar cheese. There's a small amount of it, so I'm adding. But I really want this omelette to be quite healthy. And I haven't even grated it, as you can see. So all I've done is chopped it up. So I'm just going to shake that around. So quite rustic. No real effort made in chopping it up. This is my quick lockdown omelette. So hopefully it will come out how I want it to. So let's see the other side of it. Let's see if it's... Ooh, that looks nice. Let's see. Very nice. Very nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Hey. See if we can get it turned over with one swoop. Oh, maybe not a good idea, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Right, let's get my spatula and turn it over properly. Right, so now I've got my spatula. Yay! So let's see if I can turn it over ever so slightly. Let's see if I can do this. Oh dear. I think I'll cut it in two. That's better. Unfortunately, it's not in one piece, but as I said, this is my lockdown rustic omelette. So don't worry about perfection at all with this. The whole idea of this omelette is not to waste any food. Lockdown, with this pandemic, the global pandemic, we can't be wasting food. So I'm trying any means possible of stretching food to make it last a lot longer. Of course, I need to make sure it's healthy as well. So with this omelette, because it's got kale in it, that is very good for you as well. Kale and the mushrooms and the peas, all of these things are good for you, especially the kale. So really and truly, this is quite healthy. Now I've used a bit of oil, not much as usual, and a little bit of cheese, not that much. So again, it's an okay recipe, considering I've just created it. I haven't used any measurements at all. I just used whatever I've got left over to make this omelette. So hopefully it will taste nice. I'm gonna put it on a plate in a moment and see whether it actually tastes tasty. So let's get a plate, put it on a plate now. Right, so I've turned over the omelette twice now. So this is the other side of it. You can see it's nice and golden. I wanted to make sure the kale was well cooked. And you can see lots of peas in here, green peas, lots of it, and the turkey. So now I'm going to turn off the fire and place it in my plate. Voila, that looks beautiful. Look at that. with the turkey, with the kale, with the green peas, garlic, sweet pepper, mushrooms, yeah, onions. Very nice, very nice. So let me just have a little taste now. So that's my tradition as usual, to taste it, to see if it tastes nice. Let's have a look. Mmm. Very nice. Let's have another bit. Mmm. You know, this is a nice recipe to make sure that you don't waste any food during this lockdown period. Don't waste anything. Don't waste any food. Everything costs money, and the purses are now tightened up. So we have to all make sure that we just use up all the food in the house rather than throwing it away every minute, as I've been doing for the last few weeks. Make sure you use up all your ingredients. Keep them in, get containers if anything. If you overcooked, put them in containers, put them in a fridge or freezer, and use them the next day. Because when you do that, you'll get a lovely omelette or any other recipe like this from food from yesterday or the day before. Yeah, so make this be something that you can try during this lockdown period. Try and save some money. Don't spend too much money on food, but when you do buy food, buy healthy food that's going to keep your immune system strong, so that everyone can fight this disease that's going globally. All right, take care, everyone. Look after yourselves and just be safe. Bye bye.